Cruising new, she slaying the city. No makeup, just wake up and still giving them pretty. Hit the lights, camera, action, cause it's big as a movie. And grab a seat and now tune with disastrous beauty.
And then you will go away. I'm not gonna be begging you to stay. Said maybe if you asked me yesterday, I would handle this shit differently. Things are different, I'm a new me. That's not gonna happen. That's not gonna happen. That's not gonna happen. So even if you're asking, even if you're asking, cause I do what I do, and it's time for something new, yeah. Gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Sometimes giving up can make it grow. Can make it grow. Can make it grow. Ooh. Don't wanna be stuck in a spot, telling you it ain't what I thought. Don't wanna be stuck in a spot, cause I don't really like what I got, so I changed it bit by bit. It's not ungrateful, just being helpful for me and you. Cause we gotta go our own way, gotta go our own way, yeah. This was not a good stay, gotta go our own way. Cause I do what I do, and it's time for something new, yeah. Gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Sometimes giving up can make it grow. Can make it grow. Can make it grow. I don't appreciate the chase. Now there's nothing here for me, yeah. I gotta go, I'll fly away to a new space. You know, I don't appreciate the chase. Now there's nothing here for me, yeah. I gotta go, I'll fly away to a new space. Cause gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Sometimes giving up can make it grow. Can make it grow. Can make it grow. Sometimes. Gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Sometimes giving up can make it grow. Can make it grow. Can make it grow.
Alright y'all, so I'm obviously finished styling this wig and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details and specs and all the good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch. So the unit that I'm rocking was sent to me by Rpgshow Hair. Shout out to you Rpgshow for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. So the unit that I am rocking is their Selena 009. The order number is CC594. The texture is silky, although I keep saying that I don't feel like the unit is silky. It's more like a silky yaki sort of texture, that in between, you know, that good in between that we be wanting. That's what it's giving me. But on their card that they sent me, it says silky. It says the length is 20 inches. The hair color is like the picture. The cap size is size 1, which is an average cap size. And I do, in my personal opinion, feel like their units, I feel like you should get whatever size you wear, but I do feel like it's more, if you get a medium that is more small to medium friendly, and if you wear a large cap size, I would definitely recommend you getting a large. Like, honey, I can only speak for the head that I got on my shoulders, and that's a medium cap size, so do with that what you want to do with that. Now, the density of this unit is 200% density. It says glueless lace front cap and tinted transparent Swiss lace, and they have light brown in parentheses. And lately, you know, these light browns are looking pretty good, honey, if I do say so myself. Y'all let me know what y'all think down below in the comments. But I feel like the light brown lace is coming through with the come through. I mean, it's transparent, but it has a light brown, what's the name? But a light brown tint to it. You know what I mean? And it's also, the knots did come pre-bleached. The hairline did come pre-tweezed. All I did with this unit was put old girl on my head, honey, okay? And I was gonna try to wear it glueless, but I was still getting the sides sticking up, so I just laid her on down. Technically, it's still glueless because she ain't got on no glue. I just got on spray, but you know what I mean. You know what I'm saying, honey. Okay, so, but I do feel like if you know how to, like, and especially if your ears aren't as large as mine, like, y'all, I keep telling y'all, I have very large ears, like, y'all can't even see them. That's how big they are. Like, there's some big ears, like, honey. So, I feel like maybe if your ears are smaller or you just know how to finesse that where it lays down right, you could definitely wear this unit glueless. Honestly, I could have got away with just laying down the sides, just spraying the sides down, but alas, I did not. So yeah, those are like the details and space with this wig. Now, as far as shedding and tangling, honestly, I didn't get any of the things like straight out of the packaging. Like once I layered it some, because I did decide to just kind of layer the front. Once I did that, and I was getting some shedding, but I knew it was just because the shears that I got, honey, they a mess, they garbage. So I knew it was just from me cutting it, because prior to that, I did not have any shedding whatsoever, and there's definitely no tangling. So those are all the details and specs about this wig. Now, if you're interested in my pros and cons as well as a full 360, then please continue to watch. Okay, y'all, so we're gonna start with the cons because I like to end on a high note. My con with this unit is the same cons that I have from all the units, like from this company, is, well, not all the units, but all the ones that are made like this, where you have a lot, as you can see, a lot of parting space in the front area, but on the sides there is not as much. So you can still do a side part, but you can't do a really deep side part. You know what I mean? So like over here, you can still part all the way over here if you wanted to, and you can still do a half up, half down style if you wanted to, but you don't have as much space on the sides as you do in the top. So that, if I have to throw a con out there, okay, because I gotta give you guys a con. Everything has a con, honey. So if I had to throw one out there, that would be my con. Now, my pros is this unit is extremely beginner friendly. Extremely. You don't have to tweeze it. You don't have to tweeze it. You don't have to bleach it. All you have to do is put old girl on your head. Cut the lace and put old girl on your head. Like, that's it. That's all. Okay? And lay her down. And some of y'all probably wouldn't even have to do that. Okay? So it is extremely beginner friendly. The color is everything, honey. Okay, the color is everything, and I also love the texture of this unit. So those are all my pros with this unit. Like, and I probably could find some more. Like, I also like how the lace just kind of lays. You know what I'm saying? I kind of like that too. You know what I'm saying? So those are my pros with this wig. Yes, I would recommend this wig because for two main reasons. It's beginner friendly and it's lazy girl friendly. Okay, I would recommend this unit just off that, sis. Okay, because I'm lazy girl. I may not be a beginner, but your girl is lazy. And a lot of people that are watching wig reviews are, you know, looking for beginner friendly units or units they don't have to do a whole lot to. Okay, you're not trying to go to the doggone beauty shop and get your hair done. Okay, you're just not trying to do it. You done spent such and such dollars on your wig, and you gotta spend such and such more dollars getting it done. But if you can get a beginner friendly wig, honey, you ain't gotta do none of that. You know what I'm saying? So that is why I would recommend this wig. Alright, y'all, so I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys this full 360 and lip check so we can wrap this thing all the way up. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. And this is it on the right side. So yeah, y'all, let me know down below what you guys think about this unit. Let me know if you are feeling it as much as I am feeling it. I am really interested in hearing you guys' thoughts and opinions. If you are interested in this wig, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. And once again, shout out to you, Rpgshow, for sending me this unit and sponsoring yet another video. It's truly appreciated over here, honey. And yeah, girl, that's all.
That's all.
So, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions or feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, girl, click the subscribe button. It's not gonna cost you not one red cent. And if you're not already following me on all my social media platforms, I am Disastrous Beauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm Healthy Miss C on Snapchat, and I'm Disastrous B on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time.